Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Alfa Romeo Giulia and the Audi RS3. These two compact performance sedans offer distinct driving experiences. The Giulia Quadrifoglio, with its 505 horsepower twin-turbo V6, delivers a thrilling rear-wheel drive feel. Meanwhile, the Audi RS3, powered by a 401 horsepower turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, provides impressive all-wheel drive grip. We'll explore their unique characteristics to help you decide which one best suits your driving style. When it comes to handling, both cars excel, but with different philosophies. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is celebrated for its engaging rear-wheel drive dynamics, offering a raw and connected feel. Its precise steering and adaptive suspension contribute to a truly immersive experience. The RS3, with its advanced all-wheel drive system and torque splitter, delivers incredible grip and stability, allowing for confident cornering and even controlled drifts in specific modes. It's a master of putting power down efficiently. Stepping inside, both vehicles offer a premium experience. The Giulia Quadrifoglio presents an Italian-inspired cabin with quality materials, including leather and carbon fiber accents. It features an 8.8-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge display. The RS3 interior is driver-centric, showcasing a modern design with a large 12.3-inch virtual cockpit and a 10.1-inch touchscreen. While both are 5-seaters, the Giulia offers slightly more trunk space at 13.4 cubic feet compared to the RS3 11 cubic feet. So, which one is better? It truly depends on what you value most. If you crave a passionate, engaging rear-wheel drive experience with a distinctive Italian flair, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize blistering all-wheel drive performance, cutting-edge technology, and a unique 5-cylinder engine soundtrack, the Audi RS3 might be your perfect match. Both are phenomenal machines, offering incredible thrills and daily usability, making either a fantastic addition to your garage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.